In response to the letter by counterparts from the Congress, women MPs from the Bharatiya Janata Party backed Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla while strongly criticizing opposition MPs over the alleged unfortunate incident of throwing papers at the chair and entering the well of the House during the discussion on the motion of thanks on the President's address. In a letter to Speaker Om Birla, BJP women MPs urged him to take the strictest possible action, as per rules, against those opposition MPs who committed such heinous acts inside the House and brought disrepute to democratic institutions. The BJP MPs in their letter alleged that women opposition MPs surrounded the Prime Minister's seat and later aggressively approached the Speaker's chamber on February 4. They appealed to the Speaker to take the strongest possible action against the MPs involved in the alleged incident. This letter came in response to a letter from women MPs of the Congress who had written to Om Birla alleging that the ruling party compelled him to make false, baseless and defamatory allegations against them. The BJP MPs said the nation witnessed an unfortunate and regrettable incident inside the Lok Sabha chamber when members of opposition parties not only entered the well of the House but also climbed onto tables, tore papers and threw them towards the Speaker. They further claimed to be deeply provoked and enraged but did not retaliate following instructions from senior leaguers. The BJP termed the episode one of the darkest moments in the history of a parliamentary democracy. The matter became even more serious when later we saw opposition MPs aggressively approach your chamber. We could hear loud noises coming from inside your chamber, the letter stated. The BJP also said that during his nearly 7-year tenure as presiding officer of the Lok Sabha, Speaker Om Birla has consistently worked to enhance its prestige and effectiveness and has demonstrated impartiality while giving equal opportunities to all members irrespective of party affiliation. This follows Speaker Om Birla stating that he had urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to not come to the House to avoid any unpleasant incident after receiving information that some Congress MPs might approach the PM's seat and resort to an unprecedented incident. In response, Congress women MPs said their protests in the House were peaceful and in accordance with parliamentary norms, but they faced unprecedented targeting. In their letter, the Congress women MPs noted that during the motion of thanks to the President's address, leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi was repeatedly denied a chance to speak over 4 consecutive days, while a BJP MP was allowed to make vulgar and obscene remarks about former prime ministers. The MPs further claimed that when they met the Speaker to demand action against the BJP MP, he acknowledged a grave mistake but later indicated he was awaiting the government's response, suggesting he no longer acted independently in such matters. The next day, the MPs claimed the Speaker, reportedly under pressure from the ruling party to justify the Prime Minister's absence, issued a statement making grave allegations against them. The row comes amid a stalemate in the Lok Sabha over Rahul Gandhi's address during the motion of thanks to the President's address, where he cited former Army Chief General M.M. Narwane's memoir on the 2020 standoff with China.